Hi, I'm Phil Needham, and today I'm standing alongside a TLE-FS Lipa mulcher that's on a Yanmar Vio-80, which is about an 18,000 pound machine, depending on how they're specifically configured. This machine has a working width of around 34 inches. It has 36 heavy-duty mulching teeth around the outside of the tube, a heavy tube as you can see, in addition to heavy chains back and front to help control flying debris, in addition to these mulching teeth front and back to mulch material better. It's got heavy duty skid plates on both ends, as you can see, top and bottom here, and this is a heavy duty machine. It weighs around 1,200 pounds with the mounting bracket, so it's really designed, this model specifically is really designed for about an 8 to 10 ton large mini excavator, as you can see here. They have some smaller machines that are designed for slightly smaller mini excavators, but in principle, you need a pretty heavy machine to hold these heads down if you're mulching larger trees and stumps. And this machine is capable of mulching from about 4 to 6 inch material. So a good heavy duty machine. Let's look at it from the top. So one of the features of this Lipa TLE-FS 90 shredder or mulcher, as we also call them, is this raise or lower front door assembly that you can see here. If you're mulching heavy material like what you see here, the door needs to be up to allow the brush or material to enter the rotor and be cut. If you're mowing brush or small trees close to the soil surface, then you need the door down to stop material firing forwards. The front door is raised or lowered with this cylinder here. A lot of your newer machines, your newer mini excavators, have an optional secondary remote, and if you got the second auxiliary, you can plumb it in directly to this cylinder to raise and lower the door. If you don't have a second auxiliary option on your machine, then this is actually equipped with a solenoid valve that's operated by a powered switch in the cab that basically sends voltage to a solenoid at the back that draws 2 or 3 gallons a minute of flow from the rotor circuit to allow you to raise or lower the front door with this cylinder. So this is a good feature, and we're going to show you this mower working now in a number of different examples. If you have any questions on these mowers, please contact us at Needham Ag. Thanks for watching.